everyone, welcome back. It's Jyoti and
Shruti. What's up, Joe?
Hola. What's up?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
we are continuing with For the Day Ones. This one again is angry. It says, stay away. Dur ho jao.
So shut up. What's up? Stay away.
Stay away. And then again,
So it's
something
very
else.
like hot, cold, hot,
Hot.
cold.
Yes.
Okay. Or cold, hot, cold, hot. We'll figure if the next song does that. Okay.
Yes. Let's do it.
Chalo.
Stay
Let's go.
away. This one's got Bharg on the music. After Prarthana,
Okay.
we are back.
This is gonna be so good. I'm excited. Yeah.
Same. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, play.
Early in the morning or you're late at night. करी मैंने मेहनत मैंने करी है grind. छोड़ा मेरा साथ जब बुरा था मेरा time. बन रहे मेरे homies ना they hit in my line. मैं बोलूँ आ मेरे पास ना तू आ तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ मेरे पास ना तू आ तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ. देखे मैंने छाए बादल सपनों पे टूटा मेरा भरोसा मेरे ही अपनों पे. मेरे पास ना है टाइम इनके नखरों के चला मैं अकेला मैं पड़ा नहीं इनके चक्करों में. बंदी छोड़ी मुझे बोले तेरे पास ना है बाइक ना है गाड़ी ना कोई ट्रांसपोर्ट. अब मैं बैठा 10 toes in a M Sport bench और ये बैग मेरा Louis not a Jan Sport. Middle fingers to these haters when I see them. यकीन नहीं होता that I'm sitting in a BM. मुझे आते bad dreams AM to the PM. Not the only bad सपना that I have in my DMs. मेरे आज ना है ज्यादा लोग साथ क्योंकि मेरे struggle में ना ज्यादा लोग साथ. मुझे करते नहीं थे कभी प्यार वो खास वही लोग बनना चाहते मेरे यार दोस्त आज. But early in the morning or you're late at night. करी मैंने मेहनत मैंने करी है grind. छोड़ा मेरा साथ जब बुरा था मेरा time. बन रहे मेरे homies ना they hit in my line. मैं बोलूँ आ मेरे पास ना तू आ तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ मेरे पास ना तू आ तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ. रोज सुबह हो या रोज रात मैं हूँ on the grind मुझे याद जो साथ मुझे बोलते थे भूल मत तू औकात. गानों से ना कभी तुझे मिले रोजगार. Please tell me something that I don't know. जैसे ये ना देखना चाहते मुझे on the ropes. I want me to leave but I won't go क्योंकि देखना चाहते मुझे लोग dead broke. और इंडस्ट्री को मैं ना पसंद ज्यादा क्योंकि करूँ मैं वही जो चाहता. बोलते थे ये स्टाइल ना समझ आता आज मिलते ये गाते अलग आता. इंडस्ट्री को मैं ना पसंद ज्यादा क्योंकि करूँ मैं वही जो चाहता. बोलते थे ये स्टाइल ना समझ आता आज मिलते ये गाते अलग आता. Early in the morning or you're late at night. करी मैंने मेहनत मैंने करी है grind. छोड़ा मेरा साथ जब बुरा था मेरा time. बन रहे मेरे homies ना they hit in my line. मैं बोलूँ आ मेरे पास ना तू आ तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ मेरे पास ना तू आ तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ मेरे पास ना तू आ तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ मेरे पास ना तू आ तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ.
क्या पकाया है.
ये किसी रीजन की वजह से है. ये जो आउट्रो है ना ये आप समझना पड़ेगा कि ये क्यों है. बिकॉज ये now it's making me think literally like this is for the day ones. So just that one little whatever is the that for the night ones.
Common threads.
ऐसे वाला. No, like for the night ones. Like rest everything is all very but like one ऐसा gruffy voice one.
For the night.
Which is literally your like you're pulling the pitch down for the night ones. There was something. Okay, last 1 minute and 1 minute 15 seconds जो था. That is when I was like, ये Bharg type का लग रहा है. Like that the beat, the music change, the way the melody kind of change, and that that okay. The two separate things. First we'll come first. जो ये वाली melody will come to this later.
Yeah.
But बाकी जो चल रहा था ना. Starting में मुझे सब कुछ बहुत it was like too noisy. Like I was finding the first half of the song too like there's too much going on, and I know it was probably by design. Because the whole point is that पहले सब कुछ complicated और बिखरा हुआ और बहुत सादा ऐसे jumbled up है, and then second half of the song में everything kind of neatly थोड़ा सा sorted हो जाता है, and that's when suddenly even music elements and the different rhythm, these things, and the voice and everything just got a little bit more sorted. But if I don't read too much into it, and if I go with just as is, के after all ये less than 3 minute का गाना है, right? So 3 minute के 253 में इतना scope I don't know है कि ये सारा narrative कहने का, did they even intended, not intended, I don't know, वो सिर्फ भार्गी बता सकता है. लेकिन मुझे ऐसा लगा कि start में it was very difficult for me to listen to it because there was too much noise going on musically. And then it got okay. And then that ooh ah wala part, it's sounding so familiar. Like even the song, the
Yeah.
moment it started,
Even that
I was like,
a bit
कि मैंने
switch in
सुना है
middle.
पहले. There were so many heard parts. When it started, Krishna's voice and the way he started and that rhythm, Krishna ka hi ek aur gaana hai which he sounds exactly like this and that. Like, even like the music and the beat and the way he was kind of singing it, it sounded same. And I was like, and I'm so bad with song names, right? So I couldn't like kind of go back to which one. But I know if I hear the start again and again and again, I'll come to it. Like, कि कौन सा गाना था. So there, then middle में, when that ooh ah thing started, I was like, ये कहीं और से मुझे सुना हुआ लग रहा है. And then I was like, maybe ये सब कुछ सुना सुना इसलिए लग रहा है. Generally, sometimes one creates something and you're trying to put a rhythm out or the kind of hook you want to create, जहाँ पे लोगों को लगे सुना सुना है, but you can't put a finger on it, and
Yeah.
that itself makes you loop it again and again and again. So I can't decide whether it is that kind of master stroke which has been put on it, that it's just to increase loopability, where it's like, where have we heard this before, and you itch, and you itne mein 10 बार आप सुन चुके हो गाने को. So I don't know which it is. But for sure the second half is winning. Like अगर वैसा पूरा गाना होता है and like a lot more, it would have been much better for me personally, just me.
Okay. Yeah.
And then of course, like you had said, कि ये थोड़ा, now this would qualify into what phase of his life?
This
Or
was
they haven't really written like
this. I think this is before 2017. Basically, it's just
that.
something
तो
from
वो
the
ऐसे sound कर
archives.
रहा है.
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah,
तो
yeah.
वो,
It's got that
है ना,
vibe.
that
Even
vibe
the
is coming
melodies.
fully.
Yeah. I feel this was apparently a pre-existing song which is now reworked, and Bharg has hopped into like recreate it.
मतलब previously released song or a
No,
reworked song?
no,
हाँ,
all
released तो
are
नहीं हुआ ना, मतलब we
unreleased.
couldn't have heard
Yeah.
it. हाँ.
All are unreleased. I feel like the melodic bits that the was it the chord? No, before the chorus, the refrain. As it says here in the thing, was it बोलते थे ये style ना समझ? No, उसके बाद जो तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ, ऊ आ मेरे पास ना तू आ, that उससे पहले भी एक switch हुआ था ना उसमें. Anyway, wherever it was, I'll have to listen to it again.
215
very
onwards, I'm telling you.
हाँ,
215 के आसपास ही है.
it was so good, and it was so it took me back in time to some song that I cannot put my finger on exactly. And I was like, I know this melody. I know it. I know it from somewhere. It is either one of his songs only, or it is some kind of classic, like
No, I mean, if you really slow that down, I'm just, and now I'm trying to like,
it's not even the ooh ah part, it's that other part. One sec, which I want to just
other.
quickly.
That was really nice.
Yes.
धूम मचा लो धूम.
वो भी कहीं और से है. Just say. Yeah, so that bit, that bit just took you back in time in your mind. You don't really need anything else. Just that flow is enough to take you back. And I think it was just done beautifully. How that bit, and also his, again, I'm gonna say this again, that his like voice treatment and voice throw and the voice he's adopting for each track is so different. I am just loving how many voices he's got up his sleeve now. Like that's become a thing now for me when it comes to him. I don't know, but
मेरे को इसमें start में his voice sounded like the way पहले it used to. Before, when we used to say ना कि यार ये his bars are very good, but he needs to work on his voice. They were long back when we used to say that, like, couple of songs that we heard.
many
And उसमें,
episodes.
so मेरे को his first half का आवाज to me sounded like that. So
Okay.
which I was like, हाँ correct. इसने बहुत पहले गाना रिकॉर्ड किया था या जो भी पहला वाला गाना है तब बनाया होगा तो वो आवाज में सुनाई दे रहा है. And then today's Krishna, where the voice change has happened, that I felt was very rarely there, but second half में a little bit वो था. तो मुझे वो नहीं दिखा what you're talking about ना. But then you listen to him a lot more than I do. So I am like, you know, I'm just giving like first second में सुन के मुझे जो feel हो रहा है.
Yeah. No, I have
But yeah.
I have not heard a lot of his music lately, like regularly. The last track I reacted to was Refunds, from Umair's album. And
Right.
then that's it. So I'm just saying that from the last two tracks, इसी EP के, और इसमें मुझे एक और sort of different, like you can call it half a thing, notch different or whatever. But it just felt like, okay, here's another fresh vibe from him. That's what I mean. Like overall, I felt that. And so by the time the song ended, I was I had that pin in my mind. Like I want to talk about this. Also, the bit where he was flowing.
Last minute did it, huh?
Even like because it's semi singing now, that whole part. So again, that's one thing we've kind of started to notice in his more recent work is he is doing the hooks and the flowy and the melodic hooks a lot more.
Correct.
And it's sounding really good. So
Yeah.
I liked it. In this song, in the lyrics, he didn't say anything fresh. You know, it's not anything we haven't heard before. So that, if I had to pick one thing that was slightly disappointing to me, it would be just that the बातें जो कही हैं वो kind of हम सुन चुके हैं, लेकिन इसका जो composition और melody और full flow और vibe, overall sonic experience of it, I feel like so far it's my favorite. So far it's my favorite.
Really?
So far.
Already?
In the
अच्छा मतलब
first
ठीक है,
three
3 गाने तो हो गए.
हाँ, 3 ही हो. अब देखते हैं लास्ट में क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन I just
For me,
really
so far,
love the
first one. For me, Shut Up is my
अच्छा.
favorite so far.
I liked this. I don't know. And just the way he put Bhar cooked another one right at the end. I just perfect.
But
Cute.
Bhargwise, the last minute of whatever he's done, it is magic.
Yeah,
it is magic.
It is. I
Because
was trying
there
to
are so
actually,
much.
yeah.
I was kind of disappointed, you know, when it started. I was like, नहीं यार. I was like, मेरी expectation ज़्यादा हो गई क्या भाग के साथ? Like, you know, like वो वाली feeling आई मुझे.
मेरा thought,
and then,
sorry.
हाँ, and then by the time I was coming to the end of it, and I was almost like disappointed, and I was like, गया ये गाना, like you know, मैं वो भर्ग वाली बात जो इसमें ढूंढ रही थी. And then at 2:15, at 2:10 or whatever, when that shift happened and the transition happened, उसके बाद काफी changes हुए. And so quickly that I was like, dude, well done. यहाँ पे like, you know, suddenly I was back in the game with my heart.
I was loving it from start to end. And my thought there in the start was, ooh, the two of them together are giving us something completely different from Pratna. You know? So I loved that happened, because that tu ja mere paas na tu aa wo first ke chorus mein hi ho gaya tha. And so wahan se mera like vibing with it had begun. You know, just after the first.
But didn't that remind you of another song of Krishna's? The way the start, just that those 2 lines, na, just the first line which was there, and the way he said it also, there is like.
I know what you're saying, but it's very hard to put our finger on it. We've only heard it once.
Yeah, no.
वो बाद में शायद आएगा, you know, it'll come to our mind. So ठीक है, let me quickly skim through it. There were some bars in there. Early in the morning हो या late at night, करी मैंने मेहनत, मैंने करी है grind. छोड़ा मेरा साथ जब बुरा था मेरा टाइम, बन रहे मेरे homies now they hear in my line. मैं बोलूं ऊ आ, मेरे पास ना तू आ, तू जा, मेरे पास ना तू आ. So, okay, here's the thought that came to me right here, is that he is doing what a lot of Punjabi artists are doing, is they are naming their tracks in English, but there is no use of the English phrase in the song. The literal translation Hindi में या अपनी language में पंजाबी में करेंगे, लेकिन गाने का नाम English में रहेगा. Maybe that's a call you take to have high search results on your song on the various platforms.
Could be.
And just an easy access to audiences who don't speak your language to also search for your song. You know, it's probably one of those reasons, because this is something a lot of Punjabi singers do. And I haven't seen a lot. Yeah, I haven't. Yeah, a lot. Even Karan Aujla is doing a lot of that on all his
Softly is
projects.
only, वही तो कह रही हूँ. Like
Oh, sorry.
most of his songs are that only.
I don't know why I'm thinking AP Dillon. Anyway, so like with you और ये वो, पर वो actual English phrase गाने में नहीं होगा, तो वो मुझे यहाँ thought आया. तू जा मेरे पास ना तू आ. So he's saying stay away, but he's not saying stay away anywhere. Okay, then verse 1. देखा मैंने छाए बादल सपनों पे, टूटा मेरा भरोसा मेरे ही अपनों पे. मेरे पास ना है टाइम इनके नखरों पे, ना है टाइम, his own song name drop. चला मैं अकेला, मैं पड़ा नहीं.
ना है time only he sounded like start में.
Actually,
the way
you are right.
That only I'm saying ना कि कहाँ पे सुना है ना है time.
हाँ, वैसा ही. Yes. हाँ. Yes. I agree.
Yes.
Okay. मेरे पास ना है टाइम इनके नखरों के, चला मैं अकेला, मैं पड़ा नहीं इनके चक्करों में. बंदी छोड़ी मुझे बोले, तेरे पास ना है बाइक, ना है गाड़ी, ना कोई ट्रांसपोर्ट. अब मैं बैठा 10 toes in a M Sport. ये बैग मेरा Louis, not a Jansport. I was like, Jansport. Gotta mention. Middle fingers to these haters when I see him. This whole bit, my thought was how easily he's moving from one accent to another, like the English words to the Hindi, and he's not breaking thing. Especially one place where he said something, but he said some, and the how you say it, like it's very British English. So very smooth. Middle fingers to these haters when I see him. Yakeen nahi hota that I'm sitting in a BM. Mujhe aate bad dreams AM to the PM. Now the only bad sapna is that I have are in my DMs. Nice. मेरे आज ना है ज्यादा लोग साथ, क्योंकि मेरे स्ट्रगल में ना ज्यादा लोग साथ. मुझे करते नहीं थे कभी प्यार वो खास, वही लोग बनना चाहते मेरे यार दोस्त आज. But early in the morning हो या late at night, करी मैंने chorus. Then verse 2. रोज सुबह हो या रोज रात मैं हूँ on the grind, मुझे याद जो साथ. मुझे बोलते थे भूल मत तू औकात. गानों से does my औकात joke count here? No, right? गानों से ना कभी तुझे मिले रोजगार. हाँ, please tell me some that I don't know. This bit made me think that जैसे ये ना देखना चाहते मुझे on the ropes. हाँ, want me to leave but I won't go, क्योंकि देखना चाहते मुझे लोग dead broke और. Then the refrain, this bit, इंडस्ट्री को मैं ना पसंद ज्यादा, क्योंकि करूँ मैं वही जो चाहता. बोलते थे ये स्टाइल ना समझ आता, आज मिलते ये गाते अलग गाथा. This whole section was so good. इंडस्ट्री को मैं ना पसंद ज्यादा, क्योंकि करूँ मैं वही जो चाहता. बोलते थे ये स्टाइल ना समझ आता, आज मिलते ये गाते अलग गाथा. And then the chorus and then the outro. This outro का हमें decode करना
फंडा समझाओ. Correct. फंडा समझाओ क्या चल रहा है इधर.
But let's move to the next track. अगर वहां भी हुआ ये
तब तो कुछ है
end में, then we will discuss it, है ना?
Yes.
Okay, let me send you the link. It's called Role Model, and everybody's on it. Deep Kalsi, Karma, Krishna, and Raftaar has been replaced by Farish Shafi.
But why are you saying replaced? That was a different one. This is a different collab.
अरे देख, कहने में क्या जाता है? It's just, 4 लोग एक साथ, एक name change हुआ है बस. So ठीक है, I'm happy. I'm happy all the
You mean because of the whole Kalamkar thing, that like how पहले Kalamkar together वैसे हो रहा था for a while when they were doing. Because of that, you're constantly kind of talking about 4 and then replacement.
No, I'm just saying the last time Karma, Deep Kalsi and Krishna were on a track, Raftaar was with them. And now it's instead of Raftaar, it's Faris. Bas, woi. Nothing.
ठीक है, ready.
Yeah, produced by Deep Kalsi के संगीत पे. चलो, Role Model. 1, 2, 3, play.
मुझसे पूछना सवाल, मांगना जवाब. मैं हूँ रूड, I don't talk कर मूड ना खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल. मेरे हाथ में है 2 बॉटल. मुझसे पूछना सवाल, मांगना जवाब. मैं हूँ रूड, I don't talk कर मूड ना खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल. मेरे साथ में है 2 मॉडल. मेरे पास मत आना बोले अब हाय हेलो, वाइब ले लो, इनको लगता हूँ मैं शाय मेलो, पर मुझे लोग नहीं है पसंद जितना भाई कह लो। मैन आई डोंट रियली गिव अ फक अबाउट यू स्लाइड फेलो शीज, मैंने रोल मॉडल वाली चीज, पढ़ाई में था वीक कॉलेज में नहीं भरी फीस। प्लीज व्हेन शी बी गेटिंग डाउन ऑन हर नीज इज द ओनली टाइम समवनस लुकिंग अप टू मी। हाँ ये बोले उलाला कराता क्यों तू मुंह काला, मुंह पे लगा ले तू ताला, लेना देना क्या तुम्हारा, इनसे राय क्यों लूज आला, खुद भी करते ये घोटाला, गेम में लाया उजाला, इनकी बातों को भूलाना। अब आम तौर पे ये करते नशे दारू, पर दिक्कत होती इन्हें जब मैं गाने में वो डालूं। आके बातें चोदे ये so fuck all you hypocrites, if they stick into the script tell them I am sick of it। मुझसे पूछना सवाल मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूड और हूँ चौकर मूड न खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल, मेरे हाथ में है दो बॉटल। मुझसे पूछना सवाल मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूड और हूँ चौकर मूड न खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल, मेरे साथ में है दो मॉडल। मेरे पास आके कर सकते हो हाय हेलो, डोंट बी शाय फेलो, वापस अपनी वाइफ ले लो। I'm a good guy, so be a good boy, and shut the fuck up पुत्र, मैं तो बन गया full time role model। नकच पावा तेरे border, I don't drink but you can imagine, ना कर attack you with a bottle, ना करो ऐसे मैं तो कहता हूँ जाकर वे थोड़े कमा लो। नौकरी की थी नहीं मैं कदे छोकरियां लगन मेरे पीछे, लेकिन मर गए मेरे मॉडल्स और एथिक्स, मैनू चाहिए नहीं लेक्चर, मुझे छोड़ी ना मैसेज में कोई नहीं एक्टिविस्ट या पैसिफिस्ट, मैं बनाता हूँ रैप और पैसे सिर्फ, so write the check or bring the cash, you can kiss the ring and sing my track or suck my dick and kiss my ass। Cat me a dollar sign, balling all the time, you don't even qualify, we won't apologize for shit। मुझसे पूछना सवाल मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूड और हूँ चौकर मूड न खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल, मेरे हाथ में है दो बॉटल। मुझसे पूछना सवाल मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूड और हूँ चौकर मूड न खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल, मेरे साथ में है दो मॉडल।
100 bottles, 100 model, gold models, for them I think I gotta order more bottles। पेपर पास में तो आके करती रोल मॉडल, हिट करती घास तो फिर गॉड मॉडल। दिस दैट बिग टिक एनर्जी थोड़ी मिक्स विद हैनेसी, मैं यहाँ सिक शिट लिखता पर ये विकसित है, इन्हीं गाने बनते थेरेपी सर पे चढ़ते, कैनबिस तुम सब दिखते एनिमी, दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन नेवर बी लाइक कृष्णा कर्मा और फारिस खान। I'm no रोल मॉडल, मुझे मैं ना फरिश्ता, मैं ढूंढूं मेरा चांद भी सारा अली खान। कैन आई प्लीज पिक यू अप एट 12:40? हाँ खैर तू था फैन पहले अब तू है हिटर, इट्स अ टॉक्सिक ट्रेट, आई फकिंग हेट दिस शिट। I'm putting food on the table जैसे वेटर, और वो टिप लेके खुश जैसे वेट्रेसेस।
मुझसे पूछना सवाल मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूड और हूँ चौकर मूड न खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल, मेरे हाथ में है दो बॉटल। मुझसे पूछना सवाल मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूड और हूँ चौकर मूड न खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल, मेरे साथ में है दो मॉडल। ये वो सीजन जब मैं जाता हूँ ना मर्डर स्प्री, रातें इनकी बेचैन used to claim they never heard of me। हाथ में है दो बॉटल, साथ में है दो मॉडल, only get checks that's a whole lot of burberry। बंदियों के बारे में बातें करते ये नॉर्मली, मैं गाने में बोलूं वो तो 100 जन बोले, मैं 100 जन ही उखाड़ा तुमने लौड़ा नहीं। I'm dropping dimes quarterly, constantly trying to corner me, you getting no apologies।
ओ दीप कलसी के संगीत पे उस टोन में आया, सॉरी।
Oh,
There's a little outro there with Krishna on it. Okay, a lot was said in this song.
lots. Are you
Yeah.
still listening? Are you still listening to
I'm
it?
done. I'm done.
Oh, I thought you were still vibing to it, so I was like, ये because मेरा तो suddenly उसके बाद ओला अमीगो शुरू हो गया, and I was like, what happened? Wait.
I am तो vibing in my brain only. It's over.
Okay, it's my favorite. This one's my favorite.
I
Yeah.
might have to agree with you.
Yeah, this one's my favorite. Then comes Shut Up. Then both the middle wala songs are ikatha.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I will
ओहो।
say later. हाँ
हाँ, ये तो कुछ और ही amazingness हो गई. Like right from the music to the beat to the flow to was
Yeah.
like,
Yeah. And I'm sorry, but there was
Right?
another voice that Krishna took in the chorus.
I found it same.
Okay.
Although no, start
feel
में
the
first
high
when he's so like what he was his first this thing, there were moments when I was almost like, wait, has Faris Shafi already come in? So I agree with you that his voice was sounding very different. Like it was almost so that you know the whole
melting can happen.
the melting can happen so that the harmony can be a little, they weren't harmonizing, but like so that voices can match and the whole track can sound like one. Definitely आवाज अलग sound कर रही थी, for sure. And then
Yeah.
I was like, no, wait, this is Krishna. Like, what is going on?
But there
And
was
then,
one part where he took Krishna's name, and I think uski voice वहाँ आई थी. I don't know. We'll have to listen to it again. Anyway, go on.
we'll have,
Yeah.
So I mean, like, for sure, that's voice change thing which you're talking about in this particular track, for sure, alag thi.
Was
You know, this is like a third voice which we're hearing. And Farish Shafi to, man, his flows and his like वो कैसे बिल्कुल by the way, you know, bars drop कर देता है. Like, by the way, his flow is so smooth and he's so good with his shifts and the way he does it. It's almost like, मैं तो कर ही रहा हूँ, बस हो गया, बस मतलब like मैंने तो
Yeah.
कुछ किया नहीं.
Well, I'm just
You
like
know?
that.
It is
Mic
too good.
drops.
And listening to Karma after so long,
So long.
like, you know, I haven't heard him in a while. And
Yeah,
ye
you
wala like, it sounded really good, but did you feel that Karma's part was very tiny compared to the first two? Like, it's almost like he came in as to wrap up the whole thing and, like, you know, thoda sa, and then.
I feel like all their verses were equal in length. It's just that Krishna was on the hook, so it sounded like there was a lot more
It
of it.
sounded
And
more.
he did the outro bit, kind of like a mini verse at the end. That's
Fair
why I
enough.
think you're feeling it. But I feel Faris's and Karma's
Probably.
were similar duration,
Acha.
and Krishna's actual verse on top was also similar. Also, because the lyrics were in front of me, I was looking at them while listening to the track.
Yeah.
So yeah, but I get why
But
you're feeling that.
overall, fantastic. Like, these kind of
Yes.
collabs I'm totally here for. Like, it
Yeah.
sounded so
Because
good.
sonically also it was so unique in its like
Yeah.
in its vibe and arrangement and everything. I have to say that one, it was really good to hear, like you said, Karma back on a track, and that too with Krishna, because we've got classics from the two of them together, you know, like everything from Tony Montana to Zaruri Nahi and all. So it's always nice to hear them together. Faris, again, he is so tongue-in-cheek, and he's so, you know, like he is like, you know, you have to he makes me roll my eyes, but then I'm just like, oh God, this guy.
You love him, you hate him, you can't ignore him.
You can't, but you don't want to also, because he's so freaking, like, again, finesse.
Even when you hate him, you love him. It's like, like, I love you, like I hate you, like
there's
I hate you.
there's no how. The thing is, okay, now we just consumed one track of Faris's, which is Blockbuster. We saw what he's capable of doing in different spheres, like sonic spaces and everywhere, and the man carries, you know, he has finesse. So that's what I admire about him, is the finesse of the craft. And when Krishna's verse finished, can I be honest, he finished his verse and the whole theme of it was, main na koi role model, don't look at me for like ideal like sanskar mere paas mat aao, you know, I'm doing what I like. I said, ye to track theme Faris ke liye hi bani hai. You know, he is the embodiment of this theme. No, I'm saying generally in life, and every track of his. I was like, अच्छा, फारिस के अलावा इस ट्रैक पे कोई हो ही नहीं सकता था उसी को, you know, like I could see why Krishna was asked him to hop on, because this is Faris, this is him. मैं ना कोई role model, भाई साहब आप मत आओ इधर.
He's so fully like,
तो हर ट्रैक पे वो मेंटेन करते हैं.
And I think both of them, Krishna and Karma, kind of also said ke अरे लगे हाथ हम भी बता दे कि don't have expectations from us. हम नहीं है role model. So, you know, like you know how company affects company. So just to clarify कि ये गाना है और ये ऐसा ही है, and this is, let's also speak our truth with that. So that, I think, kind of it fit in very well. Their voices matched very nicely. The music was phenomenal. Like the beats, you can't stop moving. Even if you're not, like, you know, you listen to it and you'll constantly be moving with the beat. So that is, I think, a very, very huge thumbs up for it. Yeah. Oh,
I loved it. I loved it.
After a long time also.
Yes, after so. Also, one more thing, and I want to know your thoughts on this, is actually what they're saying in the track is, yes, they've put their truth out there कि बड़ी हम ये करेंगे और ये कहेंगे और फिर आप hypocrite मत बनिए क्योंकि आप भी वो करते हैं, अगर हम गाने में डालते हैं तो आपको प्रॉब्लम होती है, etc. right?
Correct.
Where do you stand on this? Because you know how we say that, you know, people who are famous have a certain sense of responsibility. with their fame and their art and how they carry themselves.
Correct.
And the
And
example they
especially if the
set.
audience is impressionable. Like it
Yes.
also depends on who
Moro.
your TG is, right?
Yeah.
So when max of your TG is and your listening audience is impressionable,
Yeah.
तुम थोड़ा सा I think वो एक basic decorum रखना जरूरी होता है. You know,
हाँ.
करते सब लोग हैं, but not necessary that you need to talk about it. And just because you're don't talk about what you're doing doesn't make you a hypocrite. Of course, doing something and then doing something else,
Doing opposite,
that of
yeah.
course makes you a hypocrite.
Yeah.
But you don't have to talk about everything. Like,
You
you know,
have to,
सब
yeah.
चीजों के, लेकिन अगर मौका ऐसा हो जहाँ पे आपको कहना पड़ेगा because of certain reasons and because it's justified in that moment, or you're doing it for self-defense, or you're doing it for different reasons, वहाँ पे अगर आप कह भी दो तो why not? It's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
So that's where I'm at. I'm not so, see, principles make us, right? But it's not that if those principles, they cannot be so rigid that as humans, we change our entire lives based on that. Principles are important. They are very good guidelines and they're very good ways to function. But if we take them too seriously, then we become so rigid that we sometimes break. That's also another thing. I honestly stand actually there, that enough flexibility is important as long as you're not harming someone, as long as you're not hurting someone. And as long as you can keep a certain decorum, but at the same time speak your mind, and not everywhere. सबको, you know, वो जो बोलते हैं ना कि सबको अपना दिमाग का जरूरी नहीं है कि अपने opinions खड़े करके सबको अब नहीं, I have an opinion तो सुनना ही पड़ेगा. So I am very like, I'm okay. It's okay. Everyone live to each their own. सब अपना अपना करो. But I think this also comes from a slightly mature thought when you're younger, and when you're impressionable and you're straight out of college, and one doesn't think like that, you know. That time you don't have your own principles, so you need acquired principles to stand by so that you can create your own, you know, over time. So I think ye phases, everyone goes through it. So that's where I stand.
I think
But
as
no one person is one forever.
Yeah. I'll tell you why this happens is also, as the lyrics were going on, I was like, this is a fun song, not taking away from that lighter element of it. And with them, ki, bhai, you know, we want to do our thing. We want to live our life. We want to say what we want to say. And, you know, don't keep having these like expectations from us and things like that. So I feel like the underlying sort of message that I got out of that is also that, don't look up to rappers and people as your role models. Your character is defined by your own sort of values, right, which are at first taught at home. So I feel like if even the young impressionable minds who actually, like, because I talk to so many of them all the time, they're like, oh, I want to be cool like this one, or I want to talk like this one, or I think it's cool to say this word because it's, you know, it's part of slang and it's cool, and so they're picking that up from these artists that they admire. They're not picking it up from anywhere else. So what I feel like is also sort of the underlying thing of this track, or could be taken as, is that we are as human. Don't look at us as role models. At the end of the day, your character is defined by the values you uphold in your personal life, and those are probably what has been given to you from your first initial, you know, value givers, which is
Absolutely.
family.
Bang on.
So,
bang on. Yeah.
So I love it.
But the question that you asked me, what do you think about that? Because from there, like what you've spoken right now is more about the song, right?
Yeah.
But what do you personally think about, like how you asked me that, what do you think about this whole thing of, you know, that the kind that as an artist you have
as
that certain responsibility? Yeah. So are you being a hypocrite by what you do in life and what you express?
I think the same kind of things apply to them also. It's if you are doing something that's public, whether that's a story you're posting or whether that's a song you're writing, at the end of it, I feel this way, that when you wake up in the morning or you step out of your house every day, you carry your character with you, and your character is you know, the combination of your values and your personality traits and blah and blah and blah. So whether you use something as a means of stepping out of your character and saying, "Arey, ye to hip hop space hai, yahan sab chalta hai," you know, and you let go of your core values to be in that space and to just, for me personally, that doesn't really make much sense, because the space doesn't define me. I defined me and my this thing. So if I am a public figure, I will be very careful about who I'm creating an impression on and in what way.
Right.
That being said, that's just who I am. Everybody's free to do what they want, and they're also free to say that, you know, this is part of hip
Part of the
hop.
culture.
This is part of the
Or
culture.
part of the.
It all flows, you know, we're just living the culture and things like that. It's all good. I have no moral high ground to take on anything, but that's just who my personal sort of thing is. So ठीक है, बहुत ही serious discussion आ गया इस गाने के title से, लेकिन overall it was a fun track, you know,
Super
and
fun. Super
बहुत
fun track.
भड़ास भी निकल गई तीनों की, you know. Let me quickly skip over the lyrics before we do our concluding thoughts, because बहुत fun lyrics थे. कोरस, मुझसे पूछना सवाल मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूड, आई डोंट टॉक, कर मूड ना खराब खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल, मेरे हाथ में है 2 बॉटल. This was funny. हाथ में 2 बॉटल. And the visual was very funny in my head. हाथ में 2 बॉटल.
We want a video for this, yeah.
I
इस गाने में
know
तो
this
होना
should
चाहिए.
have a video. It'll be
है ना?
hilarious. Yeah. Okay, then it repeats. Verse 1, Krishna. मेरे पास मत आना बोलने अब हाय हेलो, वाइब ले लो, इनको लगता हूँ मैं शाय मेलो, पर मुझे लोग नहीं है पसंद जितना भाई कह लो. भाई गाना डाल दो, भाई गाना डाल दो, भाई भाई. मुझे लोग नहीं है पसंद जितना भाई कह लो. मैन आई डोंट रियली गिव अ अबाउट यू साइड फेलोज. जीज, मैं नहीं रोल मॉडल वाली चीज. द जीज, द एडलिब एंड द चीज राइम वाज फन. पढ़ाई में था वीक, कॉलेज में नहीं भरी फीस, प्लीज व्हेन शी बी गेटिंग डाउन इज ओनली टाइम समवनस लुकिंग अप टू मी. ओके, वेरी गुड. ये बोले ऊ लाला, कराता क्यों तू मुंह काला, मुंह पे लगा ले तू ताला, लेना देना क्या तुम्हारा, इनसे राय क्यों लूं साला, इनसे राय क्यों लूं साला, खुद भी करते ये घोटाला, गेम में लाया उजाला. द वे ही सेड उजाला वाज फनी. इनकी बातों को भूलाना, या अब आम तौर पे ये करते नशे दारू, हाँ, पर दिक्कत होती इन्हें जब मैं गाने में वो डालूं. या आके बातें छोड़े, I mean these are normal things. Okay, आके बातें छोड़े ये so you all you hypocrites, if they stick into the script, tell them I'm sick of it. Okay, makes sense. You also get sick of all that. Yeah, these are like normal
you keep
things.
Experimenting and growing. How else?
Yeah, and you say things that people around you are anyway doing in their normal life. So then when they come to, you know, moral police, then it obviously must be getting annoying. ठीक है. Okay, so next then chorus, then Faris, verse 2. मेरे पास आके कर सकते हो हाय हेलो है, don't be shy fellow, वापस अपनी वाइफ ले लो. What?
कितना अच्छा जा रहा था, suddenly like
I was like,
मतलब बदल दिया.
जज्बात बदल गए, फीलिंग बदल गई.
Seriously.
Oh God, he's hilarious. So second line में he has to drop a bomb right there. वापस अपनी wife ले लो. What? I'm a good guy, so be a good boy and shut up, पुत्तर. पुत्तर was hilarious. मैं तो बन गया full time role model. नक विच पावा तेरे powder. I don't drink, but you can imagine not gonna attack you with a bottle. ना करो ऐसे, मैं तो कहता हूँ जाके रुपए थोड़े कमा लो. नौकरी कितनी नहीं मैं कदे, छोकरियां लगन मेरे पीछे, लेकिन मर गए मेरे मॉरल्स और एथिक्स, हुन मैनू चाहिदा नहीं लेक्चर, और मुझे छोड़ी ना मैसेज. मैं कोई नहीं एक्टिविस्ट या पैसिफिस्ट, मैं बनाता हूँ रैप और पैसे सिर्फ. So write the check, so bring the cash, you can kiss the ring and sing my track. Or kiss my hair, मैं और dollar sign ballin all the time. I feel like here his vocals came in and joined his. I don't know. I could be wrong. I'll have to listen to it again. कहीं पे तो जहाँ कृष्णा का mention हुआ था वहाँ पे. खैर मैं और dollar sign ballin all the time. You don't even qualify. We won't apologize for shit. So basically, no apologies from us is the moral of this song. You know, from all of them. Then Krishna, मुझसे पूछना सवाल मांगना जवाब. I really loved his voice का tonality in this chorus. I liked it.
But why he only mentioned Krishna over here and not Karma? It makes me think then it was initially it was supposed to be just the two of them, and then later kind of they changed their mind and like gotten a third
because
person.
you normally only mention the guy whose project it is, no?
Acha, like the host, huh?
Yeah,
correct. Okay.
yeah.
Okay, got it. Huh.
So yeah, वो भी हो सकता है शायद तब तक कर्मा नहीं आया होगा. ठीक है. So verse 3, karma. Saw bottle, saw model, gold model. Yeah. For them, I think I gotta order more bottles. More bottles. Paper pass, मैं तो आके करती role model. हाँ. Hit करती घास, तो फिर God mode on. This, that, whatever. थोड़ी mix with Hennessy. मैं यहाँ sick shit लिखता, पर ये विकसित है ही नहीं. विकसित.
ओहो
First time I heard.
आहा आहा
गाने बनते थेरेपी, सर पे चढ़ते ये कैनबिस, तुम सब दिखते ही एनिमीज, दैट्स व्हाई यू कैन नेवर बी लाइक नो कृष्णा, कर्मा और फारिस. तो हाँ ठीक है, आई थिंक तब तक कर्मा आया नहीं था गाने पे. हियर ही इज मेंशन्ड ऑल ऑफ देम. कृष्णा,
हाँ
कर्मा और फारिस. हाँ, ना मानो रोल मॉडल मुझे, मैं ना फरिश्ता, मैं ढूंढूं मेरा चांद आ, फिर सारा अली खान आ. ये रेफरेंस मुझे समझ नहीं आया. सारा अली खान हैज समथिंग टू डू विद चांद. Was
नो
it a
आइडिया
film of hers or something? I don't know. Okay. So फिर सारा अली खान, can I please pick you up at 12:40? हाँ. और random time. खैर तू था फैन पहले, अब तू है hater. It's a toxic trait. Can hate the shit. I'm putting food on the table जैसे waiter, और वो टिप लेके खुश जैसे waitresses. Yeah. Nice,
So
nicely played.
main जो hook था, just tell me the two lines again, main chorus की.
मेन कोरसेस, मुझसे पूछना सवाल, मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूड, आई डोंट टॉक, कर मूड ना खराब, क्योंकि मैं ना कोई रोल मॉडल मेरे हाथ में है दो बॉटल.
हाँ, this करना मूड खराब के पहले the line is rude, right? वो it
मैं हूँ
sounded
रूड,
to me like some, I was like ये क्या
मैं हूँ रूड.
suddenly नहीं, to me it sounded like गुजराती में कुछ बोल रहे हैं. So I was like, random गुजराती क्यों आ रही है बीच में तीन words, you know? It was the way they were kind of saying it. I was
Saying
like,
it.
what are they saying over there? Like, you know, what language is it? Is it Gujarati? Is it a bit of Haryanvi? Or is it like a mix of something? Is it some third language? What's going on? तो मुझे वो समझ ही नहीं आया. अभी when you're saying it, I'm like, ये तो सब बड़ा smooth sound कर रहा
मैं
है.
हूँ रूड.
वो line कहाँ गई?
You are in
तो
Pia
which
Pia
I asked
calling
you.
mode. With Gujarati, she's in carpe mode. Forgive her,
It
but
sounded very like,
it's
yeah,
it just
like when they
yeah.
were in the loop of it and the way they were kind of, you
Yeah.
know, enunciating it was समझ नहीं आया मेरे को. हाँ, ठीक है.
And then this
Okay.
outro, in the lyrics it says Krishna and Karma, but only Krishna was here, so I don't know. So ठीक है. ये वो season जब मैं जाता on a murder spree, रातें इनकी बेचैन, used to claim they never heard of me. हाथ में है दो bottle, साथ में है दो model, only get checks, that's a whole lot of Burberry. बंदियों के बारे में बातें करते ये normally, मैं गाने में वो बोलूं तो 100 जन बोले misogyny. उखाड़ा तुमने नहीं, I'm dropping dimes quarterly, constantly trying to corner me, you getting no apologies. दीप कलसी के संगीत पे.
Deep Kotsi ka sangeet pe.
Mic drop.
Yeah. So good.
Yes. They're all like
Very nice.
unapologetically
now-
themselves, and this is it.
And now choose which
Now
one
choose.
out of four. हाँ.
Damn.
मैंने तो बता दिया मेरा.
You know, I feel like I like Stay Away from Bharg just because I personally vibed the most on that track. Then I will say I like this number 2. Then I will say I like the Lisa Mishra track just because I'm so pleasantly surprised he went into that zone, and I loved that he did that. And then
So
I will
Shut
go
Up
to
is
Shut
fourth
Up.
number for you?
Yes.
What?
Yes. Very
What?
easily the 4th on this for me.
No, for me it is number 2. Yeah, Shut Up is a number 2. I can't believe it. Okay.
It's actually difficult for me to sing, but I enjoyed these 3 different vibes so much that I'm so happy to hear this,
Yeah.
going out of the usual
but see,
space.
Yeah, exactly. Having all this choosing we're doing just for fun,
It's for
right?
fun, yeah.
Bottom line is that all 4 tracks are so different from each other, and all of them are his. Like Krishna's,
Yes.
different the EP thing that he has put out. So which
Yes.
I think is the bigger picture over here, that it's phenomenal that he is doing such experimental work and he's, getting out of his comfort zone and just like doing things, which is very
First
good.
of all, he has already claimed the crown of surprise EP dropper of the century. है ना?
6 a.m.
Now he's
Next
also
time 5:30 a.m.
but he's also claiming the crown of best most versatile EP-ish where there is no miss. I feel that strongly now, because time will tell me there is no miss. That EP for me is one of the classics. It's gonna go down as one of the best projects. Then Far From Over, again, each of the 5 tracks had such a different vibe, and I at different points have looped each of those 5 tracks, you know, and you know how our top 5 and top 3 were constantly changing when it came to that EP. That's constantly happening. And now again with this EP, look at the 4 tracks ka different sound. So he's gone 3-5-4. He's doing 3-5-4 from. Sorry.
Wait, I have another question for you. Yes, I have another question for you. That now, with the way, shit, I've forgotten now. It just went away.
Okay, so anyway, I feel like this again for me, I have to listen to this EP again, and I'm sure my top 1, top 2, top 3 will keep rotating and changing. I just really liked the overall, like at the end of it, we had A, so much to talk about, and B, I'll go back to my thought in the in the last video, ki here's an artist who is peaking in terms of audience engagement, in terms of hype, in terms of just finesse of the craft and penmanship, everything. And I feel like personally for me, I would love to see him venturing into other thought spaces. And as we've seen even previously, whether it was like an OG or any of the emo tracks, even you know, from Far From Over, the last track, any of those spaces when he goes, some of us, he goes into, the audience actually loves it when he does that. They actually are like, oh, we love seeing this side of Dollar, you know.
But now it's been a few days, right? Like now it's been more than a week since this track has come out. So what's the audience reaction been? Any idea? Like, are they liking this love song thing, or is everybody like fully hating on it? Like, what's happening? Because I know midway lukewarm reaction तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना, या तो people love it या people hate it, और कुछ तो बीच में होता नहीं है.
मैंने actually क्या किया, मैंने सब accounts mute कर दिए जिस दिन वो drop हुई. Within an hour or so, I muted everyone. Whenever a story was popping, I was muting because I didn't want
तो
any
एक
of
हफ्ते
this.
से mute थोड़ा चल रहा होगा.
पेजेस तो सब म्यूट है, तो उसका कॉन्वर्सेशन, हाँ मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे उसका कॉन्वर्सेशन नहीं दिख रहा, पर ट्विटर पे मैंने कुछ देखा है, पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट. द वाइब आई हैव गॉटन एज अ जेनेरिक वाइब इज पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट एंड दे आर अप्रिशिएटिंग Lisa's vocals and things like that. So I'm just putting my personal like wish out there.
No, I was just asking. Yeah, I was just asking because, like, you know, itna time ho chuka hai, so for sure there is already an opinion which must be quite prevalent for within everyone who's heard it. So which is what I was asking. Ki how's the market taking?
Overall positive hai. And some, I feel like, have I seen some tweets where people are like, okay, sonically each song was different, and there's of course a going back in time. You can tell from the title of the EP also. And people are looking forward to Krishna talking about more like other things also in the future. That's also been one sentiment that I've kind of seen. I don't have any like further like reviews or anything on it.
Right.
But
awesome.
Yeah, what do you have to do? Do you like, what do you think of what I said? Like my personal wish, ki, you know, he continues to experiment, and abhi to pani ka temperature check kiya hai.
Correct. That's what I spoke earlier as well, no? That he's just trying. This is like, if he's trying a different genre, so clearly what he's doing, he's excelled at that, right? That genre, he knows, he's cracked it. Now, as an artist also, jab tak aap khud ko expand nahi karoge, things can get a little boring, no? How often will you keep giving hits? So he's like, chalo, ab hum kuch naya idhar-udhar try karte hain. Ab hum un genres mein hit karenge. Like, you know, hits denge. So I think that is also a very important thing for an artist to explore and to kind of experiment. Then maybe he decides not to do it. But it's just really good to see him trying different things.
Yes.
Because that, I think, is the key of it. You know, that's inspiring by itself.
Yeah,
So,
exactly.
whether he chooses to go ahead or not, wo to theek hai, artist vision hai. Sab sahi hai.
artists
yeah.
own like inclination and like
Yep.
space that they are in, phase of life, etc., etc. I just feel, I was having this recent discussion, which is why I said what I said. Ki, I was talking about how Karan Aujla and him are very, very unique artists in that their influences and their formative years have had so many different parts of the world ke influences that they can do so much. They can do so much, which, many artists can't, but everyone's good in their own ways. I'm just saying that they are unique in that sense, and that they have that common factor in between them. And they are both lyrically, penmanship is so strong. कहाँ ले जा सकते हैं अपने आप को artistically. So we just hope that continues happening. And of course, Krishna, we are just crowning him as the EP king, king of the EPs. ठीक है, loved it. So Bharg, Lisa, Faris, Karma, everyone, awesome. All the producers, Deep Kalsi and Rizzy or Raze, and yeah, everyone. Loved it. Thank you guys. We know we got to this late, but you all know that's how it goes here. अगर आप complain कर रहे थे तो लगता है आप नए हैं. And let us know what your top 3, top 4 ही तो है, जो भी. Just tell us your order and DM me for further recommendations. Miss Bhola is going on chutti now, so travels, DM her and say safe journeys, fun times, all that. Send her good vibes, and we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.
Thank you. Bye.
मुझसे पूछना सवाल, मांगना जवाब, मैं हूँ रूर और हूँ चौकर, मूड न खराब.